Golden on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, these 2-ingredient cottage cheese bagels are everything you would love about homemade bagels. With the bonus of being a high-protein breakfast that's super easy to make. No yeast, no rising time, and no complicated steps. Just 2 everyday ingredients and about 30 minutes from start to finish. Start by adding the self-rising flour to a mixing bowl. Next, drain any excess liquid from the cottage cheese and then add it to the bowl. Mix everything together until a shaggy dough starts to form. Now knead this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it forms a smooth dough. To make them, you'll only need cottage cheese and self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, don't worry, you can easily make your own by combining all-purpose flour with baking powder and a little salt. If it feels sticky, just add 1 tablespoon of flour at a time. A slightly soft dough bakes into softer, fluffier bagels, while adding too much flour can make them dry. Since the self-rising flour already contains the leavening, there is no need for yeast or waiting for the dough to rise. That's what makes this recipe so quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect for busy mornings. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, roll each one into a rope, then join the ends to shape your bagels. Don't worry if they are not perfectly round, those little homemade imperfections make them even more charming. Place the bagels onto a parchment-lined baking tray. If you would like a deeper golden crust, lightly brush the tops with a little milk or water before baking. You can also sprinkle them with everything bagel seasoning, sesame seeds, or poppy seeds for extra flavor. But the milk and the topping is totally optional. You can absolutely make them without any milk or any toppings. Bake for about 22 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Every oven is a little different, so start checking them around the 22-minute mark. Now comes my favorite part, smelling the bagels. The kitchen smells amazing right now. Let the bagels cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. It might be tempting to cut into them right away, but those few extra minutes help the inside finish setting, giving you that perfectly soft and chewing texture. Just look at that beautiful golden crust. And when you slice it open, you'll see a soft, fluffy center with just the right amount of chew. It's hard to believe these homemade bagels come together with only 2 ingredients. Whether you are looking for a high-protein breakfast, planning meals for the week, or simply craving fresh home-baked bread, this is one of those recipes you'll find yourself making again and again. Now it's time for the best part, the toppings. Keep it classic with creamy butter melting into a warm bagel or spread a generous layer of cream cheese. If you love sweet and savory flavors, try them with sweet and spicy berry chutney or jam, or turn them into a delicious cafe-style sandwich with cream cheese, creamy avocado slices, a sprinkle of sea salt, pinch of red pepper flakes, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Every bite is creamy, fresh, bright, and packed with flavor and nutrition. These homemade cottage cheese bagels stay fresh in the refrigerator for about 4 days and also freeze beautifully for up to 2 months, which makes them perfect for meal prep. They are an easy high-protein breakfast to have on hand. Just pop one in the toaster whenever you need a quick breakfast, easy lunch, or a satisfying snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Let me know in the comments what your favorite bagel topping is, and if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more easy, delicious recipes made with everyday ingredients. Thanks for watching. Happy baking. See you next time.